marshals, please pay attention. Good luck to these drivers who are going racing. At the sound of the start zone. All right, race number 39 on the track right here. VTA. Number 47 had put it up on two wheels at Jim Yam. He is holding on to the top spot at this time. Falcon Alton barely down on it. Our winner already sent this one out. Nick Pantera with win A1, A2. Race number 40. Get it ready, guys. Race 40. Our yellow car in front of the driver's deck coming across the start-finish line here. 21.05.13. Fall to the second cut. 20.05.02. My bracket's in third. 20.05.08. Alton and Valentico to round out in the top five. 16 flat back double to 16-2. Our race leader down the back straightaway. Got Falk right behind him in the black and green. New battle shaping up here. 1, 2, and 3. All right there, Tino pulling it off. Pulling it over for our leader, 6-2. 1 minute and 30 seconds in, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh man, our racer puts himself out. Is Eric Falk out in front now? Jason in second. That looks like Valentico up in the third. Yam and Everett to round out the top five. Got 1:45 in, 3:15 left to go. 1:45 in, 3:15 left. Watch in the middle, guys. Caution in the middle, and we're clear. All right, my track is Valentico and Yan, followed by Falk and Alton to round out the top five. Everett, Valici. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left to go. Oh man, Dorn and Torn. Valentico out in front now. Yan in second. Maverick is third. Falk fourth. A lot of action in this one. Valentico out in front. Down the back straight he goes. Followed by Yan. Maverick is in Falk in a three-way battle off the end of the straight. And the orange one of Jason getting Robinson. Eric picked up a couple spots. Yeah, Tippy put it up on 2, gives up another spot. 1 minute and 55 seconds left to go, yes. Falk and Practice battling out for the 2 spot down off the end of the straightaway. Falk in that green and black, Practice in the forest and orange. Back in through the center of the course. Jason trying to find a move on Eric across the start finish line. That's good now. Valentino starting to check out all these guys. Jason has the advantage off the end of the straightaway. Watch him coming out of the straightaway, go low. Watch him coming out of the straightaway, go low. Clear. 1 minute and 10 seconds left to go. 4 minutes down, 1 minute left, guys, 4 down, 1 left. Valentico, Marquez, and Falk are top 3, followed by Alton and Everett to round out the top 5 and Velachi. The battle for second continues here down the backstretch with 35 seconds left. Jason, hold on to second. Here comes the black and green. 30 seconds. Seconds. Let me buy for one more for this battle for second. It's our only battle Big bell has rung, white flag is out. Looks like Matt Rackus is going to hold on to second. Eric down with third. We're looking for Jake. And that's a race. Everybody is done. John Ballatico taking the win. Jason second, Eric third. Jake got fourth, Michael fifth, Bergman and Shutter.